If you're visiting Wilmington, North Carolina with little kids, there's one place that deserves a spot on your itinerary: the Children's Museum of Wilmington. Located in the heart of the city's historic downtown, this hands on museum is designed to spark imagination, encourage creativity, and make learning feel like play.
If it's a hot or rainy day in Wilmington and you don't know what to do, it's definitely not a beach day, you're going to bring the little ones to the Children's Museum of Wilmington. It's an interactive play place that's based on STEM and education principles, and it's a lot of fun for them to run around, explore on their own, and the little ones, especially we're talking toddlers and preschoolers, absolutely love it. My 5-year-old is having a great time. It's a little too young for my 12-year-old, but you know what? He's having fun in the craft room. So let's give you a tour of the Children's Museum at Wilmington.
Okay, I can't deny that there are a lot of happy, loud sounds in the museum, and that's because from the moment you walk through the doors, it's clear it's a museum where children don't simply look at the exhibits, they're encouraged to touch, build, create, and explore. This giant ship is a can't miss, and it caught our attention right when we walked into the museum, and it's a nod to Wilmington's coastal location and a fun way to learn about the city. Every room is filled with interactive experiences that inspire curiosity while keeping the kids engaged for hours. My recommendation is to secure your tickets online at their website so you can plan when you want to visit and the time of day. Obviously, the museum is great for rainy days or hot days when you need the air conditioning, but it's also the perfect activity before that long afternoon nap time to really wear them out. Oh, and some of the exhibits are wet, but they do provide smocks to try to keep your kids dry. So definitely pack some play clothes and let them have some fun. While my 5-year-old son had the best time at the museum, it wasn't too bad for my 9-year-old. He really gravitated towards the STEM-based activities that were centered around construction and science, engineering, and my oldest was found in the arts and crafts room. The arts and crafts room supplies your kids with all of the materials they need to make something that's fun and a little souvenir that they can take home from the museum. The museum also includes exhibits that encourage teamwork, communication, and creative thinking. Whether children are working together to build something new or pretending to run their own business, every activity helps develop important life skills while they play. And don't forget to check out their events calendar for seasonal activities and debuts of new exhibits. These type of museums, when you're traveling, seem like a lot of fun for the kids, but they really balance education with entertainment. Children are learning without even realizing it. They're developing motor skills, practicing social interaction, experimenting with science, and building confidence through imaginative play. And you know what? My kids actually got along and played together at the museum. That's a win in my book. Two of the most popular exhibits were the pretend play exhibits that let kids role play into different careers and real life activities. So here they can pretend to be a veterinarian and take care of animals. And there's also a Publix where they can grocery shop, be a cashier, pretend to work. It's so cute. It's sponsored by Publix, and my kids had a lot of fun pushing around a shopping cart, pretending like they were grocery shopping for themselves. Whether you have toddlers, preschoolers, or elementary age kids, the Children's Museum of Wilmington offers something for everyone. It's definitely a place where curiosity leads the way and creativity is celebrated. Because it's located downtown, it's easy to pair your visit with other Wilmington attractions. We did the museum after a water tour and saw the river walk from the water. Definitely a fun new perspective. It was a great way to spend the afternoon when it got hot. Let me know if you have any questions about the museum below in the comments, and you can find all of my content at savvymamalifestyle.com. Thanks for joining.